You will now see a test of the Hurricane 130 decibel siren, the largest directional siren in the world. You have just heard the wailing attack signal produced by the largest directional type siren in the world, the Hurricane 130 decibel siren. It is a 3-motor component type siren with 30 horsepower electric motor compressing 100 cubic feet of air per minute at 10 psi. This air is piped up to the horn where it is chopped by another motor to produce 130 decibels of sound. A separate motor rotates the horn. A unique ACA design does not need a platform to mount the compressor. The compressor and controls straddle the pole and evenly distribute the weight on both sides. This feature also cuts costs and increases safety and reliability. Because the controls are pre-wired and mounted to the compressor assembly, the installation time is cut in half.